right. Here comes Amtrak P098. We got a southbound green. It should be for Amtrak PO Auto 53. And after they go by, after 53 goes by, I'm heading out. And 182.
Equipment defect detector. Milepost 295.8. Track 2.
Something on that train is Amtrak P098 Silver Meteor heading northbound. That train starts off in Miami, Florida, heads north to New York City where it terminates.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 295.8. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 4. 8. End of transmission. No defects yet.